Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have been on a little bit of unintended hiatus, a little bit more tech stuff, but today I was getting like a cavity filled and I thought that I'm just gonna relax and maybe shoot a YouTube video. It's going to be like, I'm home right now, but it's going to be like overview of what I did in Delhi. Fun, solo traveling, solo exploring, solo living kind of a vibe. I hope you enjoy this and I'll just stay here till my blanket order delivers. See ya. और ये आ गई मैं वापस दिल्ली. I think there is not a lot to do at home. As much as I love my parents and like visiting Amritsar for the food, I came back and this is me just doing my ritual of जो भी जब वापस आते हैं तो सारा resetting the house. I brought back my ukulele so you'll get to see sort of a cover towards the end of this vlog. And yeah, just brought all my paintings. If you can see in the top left, मैंने उनको अपनी walls पे भी लगाना शुरू कर दिया. There's one in on the door on the top right. कुछ और काम जैसे खाना बनाना and all of that, which by the way I realized I'm a really good cook. मुझे पता था ये अपने बारे में, but the more I live by myself I realize मैं काफ़ी अच्छा खाना बना लेती हूँ. And I think the autonomy and freedom of living by myself is so precious. So this is me now making some palak paneer. I think I make really bomb palak paneer. इस बार मैंने वो नहीं डाली थी cream, but I followed everything else that I usually do. I found somewhere that after blanching the spinach, if you let it sit in baraf wala pani, the color comes out even better. So a little bit of multitasking, which by the way may seem कि ना मैं काम कर रही हूँ properly और ना ही मैं खाना बना रही हूँ, but I have noticed कि जितना इस रेसिपी को स्लो कुक करने दो, like leave it for a while, let it marinate, थोड़ी देर के लिए गैस भी बंद कर दी, letting like the masala do its thing, letting the spinach rest for a while, फिर उसकी प्योरे करना, like adding these multitasking tasks or slow cook karna actually ends up making the recipe really good, and usse wo masala kind of grahan kar jati hai sort of, and बहुत ही ज़्यादा tasty बनते हैं. So this is me making that yummy palak paneer. मेरे को pink rotis बनाने का बहुत शौक चढ़ा हुआ है. Recently I have become like a beetroot fan और मैं हर चीज़ में beetroot डाल रही हूँ. जब मैं घर भी गई थी मैंने ये मेरे और पापा के लिए एक beetroot पास्ता बनाया था. I think इसका कलर बहुत अच्छा होता है जो आपने मेरे but I'll include pictures of the times जब बहुत ही क्यूट रेड कलर की रोटीज़, फूली हुई रोटीज़ मैंने बनाई थी. सो या enjoying my lunch, and फिर मैं चली गई अपना मॉनिटर जो मैं अमृतसर से ले आई हूँ यहाँ पे उसको डीअसेंबल करने, अपने रूम को थोड़ा और डेकोरेट करने. And then I went to my friend's house for like an art sip and paint kind of night. It is the same मेरा childhood friend जिसके साथ मैं अमृतसर में school जाती थी. It was a pretty fun time. We also went to Chayo's experience, which I think is better than the regular Chayo's. And here I am at another sip and paint night yesterday. It wasn't needed, but I don't usually do back-to-back art nights, but it was one of those situations जो मुझे अपने फ़ोन से दूर, टेक्सटिंग से दूर रहने की बहुत इंटेंस ज़रूरत थी कल. तो इस नाइट, इस आर्ट सिप एंड पेंट नाइट ने मुझे बचा लिया from just being on my phone and being left to my devices, because that can be harmful for you sometimes. The color scheme of what they chose, and even ये drawing उन्होंने already करके रखी हुई थी. I didn't intend to make like a lovey-dovey art. If anything, I'm in my solo girl, independent girl era, but they just happened to have this, and the color scheme was also kind of bland for my personal taste. But like I said, I really needed to get out of my apartment and do another stay away and keep my hands and brain occupied with something else kind of a night. And yeah, after that hum Sundar Nursery chale gaye. I was meeting a friend, like a new person from BFF. She is from Bihar. She was really sweet. I was mostly impressed by the fact that she can drive in Delhi. वो खुद गुड़गांव से drive करके मुझसे मिलने आई थी. She's from NIFT. Everything about her was very sweet and impressive. We have plans to meet again. And yeah, this is basically my life in NCR. I love still doing Rapido and Uber as my main savari to get to places. And as I promised, I would give you a cover. It's not really a cover, it's a work in progress, but here is my cover of Billie Eilish, Birds of a Feather. We should stick together, I know I said I never think I wasn't better alone. Can change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. Okay, that's enough. See you next time.